Welcome, today in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sound section. Here you'll see the notification warning panel. Now just to mute your device notifications, you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and by this way you can mute your device notification sound. Also, you can do it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and after that click here on the settings icon, and by this way click here to the see more, and you will launch the same sound settings. And you can also just swipe to the left side with your finger the notification volume panel, and also by this way you can mute them. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.